Updating your email address on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Email Address. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in a designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change through a confirmation email sent to your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Revolut will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.